Hello and welcome to virtual tour of postgraduate certificate in business analytics. If you wanted to be the best version of yourself, stay tuned and follow the path. This is a unique program with fine blend of business analytics and data science. It is approved by AICTE, delivered by IMA, certified by leading software company SAS. It is powered by Skillville and endorsed by industry experts. Students who want to upskill in big data analytics and increase their job opportunities, professionals or organizations in telecom, banking, IT consultancy, retail, and healthcare willing to be proficient in business analytics may join this program. Data science is multidisciplinary in nature. It is broadly applicable to all sorts of disciplines. It includes study of computing, statistics, emerging internet technologies, and media studies. The reasons behind learning data science are 60% organizations need more than 20 data scientists in the upcoming years. Tools like Hadoop, Spark, Tableau are the most in-demand skill in 2019, and due to existing skill gap, availability of data scientists is only 15% of required rate. Increasing size of global data sphere are producing need of data scientists worldwide. Increase in demand and existing skill gap is creating an ocean of opportunities for the data science professional. 90% of data scientists are contacted monthly once, 50% are contacted on weekly basis, and 30% are contacted several times in the week. Within next 5 years, data scientists will develop an ability to use all sort of data in real time for the need of future. Companies like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Oracle, Amazon, Facebook, IBM, JP Morgan, Deloitte, Flipkart, Citibank, and TCS are hiring data science professionals. Wi-Fi enabled 11 acres campus with state-of-art infrastructure makes Vidyalankar Educational Campus the most recommended campus for professional programs like business analytics.